Julie Miller Davis here on this beautiful day in Colorado. I wanted to jump on today and just talk to you about what keeps us from being like awesome, maximizing producers and prioritizers. You've heard me talk a lot about tips on how to prioritize better, things that you can do, tips and tools, which there are many. And places where we have trouble prioritizing, there are many. But what I wanted to talk to you about today is the 4 time quadrants, and 3 of which are not the prioritizer. And they are the places where we tend to lose our time. So the first quadrant is the, I just lost it. The first quadrant is the procrastinator, which I find that many people fall into this procrastinator quadrant for numerous reasons. And there are several things that we can do to get out, but the truth is that we as human beings by nature are procrastinators. That's the bad news. The good news is that we can alter that habit and that nature of things. Hi, thanks for joining me. Our own nature by putting some things into place. So are you a procrastinator? Do you put things off to the last minute? Do you put them off because they're not important, because you don't know where to start, because you don't like to do those things? Hi, Amy. So that's the procrastinator. And there's a lot more. There's a lot more to it. The third quadrant is, I know I skipped the second. I know it. The third quadrant is the yes woman. And you guessed it. She's the woman that says yes to all the things and all the people and all of the universe except for her own stuff. And so this yes woman causes us to not get our own stuff done, which means that we are not prioritizing. We are taking on other people's stuff and making it more important than our own stuff. So that's the yes woman. Again, as women, we tend to not want to let anybody down and all those kinds of things. But again, the good news is that there are ways to escape that yes woman place. The fourth quadrant is the slacker. I think some people think they don't spend time here, but I am a professed slacker. I will tell you, when I get overwhelmed, this is where I go. It's turning on the TV and watching, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 episodes of Friends, and then wondering what the heck am I doing? Going down some rabbit holes. Others have used Slack in other ways. And so the slacker is a lot of times that shutdown. We shut down because it's too much, so I'm just going to do nothing. And again, we can get stuck here, or we can get ourselves out through a few little tweaks in our behavior and in our patterns. And so the second quadrant is, you guessed it, dun, 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 the prioritizer quadrant, which is where we want to spend our time. We will spend our time. Gosh, I would love to be a prioritizer, but I can't seem to get my priorities straight or even figure out which my priorities are. So that is the fourth quadrant. What I wanted to tell you today is that, yes, we all spend time in all 4 of these places at different times, depending on what's going on and where we're operating in our lives. But what happens is that we fall habitually into one of these quadrants, probably not quadrant 2, the prioritizer. And so what I want to offer you today is a way to figure out how to get out. So number 1, I would really love for you to comment on this video as to where you think that you fall. Are you a procrastinator? Are you a yes woman? Are you a slacker? Like, where do you tend to hang out when you're overwhelmed, or the things that cause overwhelm is because you're spending time there? Could be one or the other, or both. And then tell me kind of what that means to you. Like, how does it affect you? Or, just write a couple sentences and let me know how that affects you, or what that means to you that you spend time there. So I would like to know that. The second thing I have for you today, besides offering up a comment or sharing this out would be great too, is that I have 2 workshops coming up. If you're not in Colorado, I have great news. I'm offering this workshop virtually. It's a little shorter because it's virtual, and I think that it's sometimes hard to keep your attention when you're not live and in person in front of me and you're able to multitask, which I'll tell you, don't do it, don't do it. But I'm offering this virtual workshop on February 20th, and it's from 9 to 11 in the morning Mountain Time. And then I have a live workshop for those of you in Colorado on February 21st in Castle Rock. So I split the difference in the Front Range between Colorado Springs and Denver so that everyone has an opportunity to come to that workshop in Castle Rock on the 21st. I have the link posted above, so the link will send you to both workshops, and you can kind of look at both and choose which one you want to go to. If you have questions, please message me and let me know. In the meantime, let me know who you are. Where do you live? Procrastinator, yes woman. I'm like doing these opposite. Procrastinator, yes woman, slacker. Which one calls to you? Which one sucks you out of prioritizing? Where do you spend your time? I thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate your time, and I can't wait to hear from you and hopefully see you at one of these workshops. Have a great one, everybody. Bye-bye.